And do you know those people on board who behave like China? Pakistani haters, I'm talking about China. They treat the people like hell, like us. They aren't instructed. They're forced to do well. They fire. They hire officials to go with the disaster. Just like us, actually, numbers are above the to have plenty to hire. So they fire. And there's a term called mercy. They never see. It might be the diplomacy, bureaucracy, but like us, they're in blessed with this hypocrisy, bloody democracy. So see, they're operating so appropriately, and yet since immemorial, whole system is operating so discriminately. In a country when results are so fascist, whole Indian banking system seems so racist. Agree or not, inside a bit, well, a fascist, well, a fucking racist, but fuck it, we know it, we ain't, come on, show it. Then I wait for the cherry on the cake are those magicians whom we call politicians, and they went, but wait for the cherry on the cake are those magicians whom we call politicians, and they went pet goons who look like cartoons, and along with foreign invaders, these constitutional traitors looted our tragedy, adopted our history, gifted us poverty and a misery. They tried and succeeded in dividing us among Aryans and Dravidians, Hindus and Mohammedans, but now we are living in an incredible India. So isn't we supposed to be an incredible Indians? But now with this democracy, with the cause and hypocrisy, we're witnessing a minister who was an actress. So what? We have tolerated a waitress turned an empress. So just like you kind of secularism, I fuck your pseudo-feminism. And if you look back in time and you'll find that India was in the land of drought and famine, and a big ratio was in dumb and illiterate, and we were the only one to know the properties of copper and zinc sulfate. And then came the bloody missionaries and adopted our whole education system, and now we're about to make its burial. Bible, Quran, and even so-called historians assume this planet to be flat, with their logics completely aerial, and then there are Hindus, worshipping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9 planets since memorial. Now you're going to praise me, Kaminal, and you think you're so rational. No. I'm not that particular. Sorry to say, you're so pseudo-secular. Hell, we have a lineage, a legacy. And for so-called history, just a contradiction portrayed as fiction. Do you know constellations? It's science sky, not visible from Mumbai. Surprisingly, constellations denote the geographical positions for all the ancient civilizations. Or it could be probability of possibility that all those civilizations emerged with the root cause of the positions of the constellations. And among those ancient, the most is Hindas, so-called Indus Valley civilizations, on the shore of river Saraswati and Sindhu. And then came the missionaries and propagated a Persian term called Hindu. And now we crazy people living on the land of ancient tribal people, and I think they would be like, hey bada, aika माझा एक गोष्ट इकडे बसून खूप झाला तुमचा Noah Ark आणि लोळाला सून. So just like a Saturn, bloody Lord Mountbatten. And team taught us all their bullshit dream. So for their own diplomacy, for further global bureaucracy, they have served us this delicious aristocracy of hypocrisy, bloody democracy. Even the carbon datings of Taj Mahal dates 300 years back to the birth of Shah Jahan himself. Again, contradictions, fucking fictions. Thank you.